Hi guys, this is Micah. Just wanted to talk about a few things that we as men go through during pregnancy. You know, I have a wife who's pregnant, not with one but two kids. I'm expecting my daughters to come around October. Uh, so yeah, I know people will be like, okay, congratulations. Yeah, thanks. But no, it's a difficult time for my wife, of course. But I haven't heard them saying that we as husband we go through a difficult time too. So I just had to say this. We as husbands we are going through the same difficult time. It might not be because we are growing two lives in our stomachs, but here we are pregnant with new ways of living now, because I know that now I have to cater for additional two lives. She's like there, craving for my presence, and I'm like here in my room making this video about her and about me, and she can barge in it at any time and be like, oh, you are in front of your phone again. Oh, am I boring? Am I too ugly for you? Am I too annoying? She will cry for everything that I do. So I just have to tell you this, guys, that when you are pregnant, our lives change too. When your life changes, my life changes too. When your sleeping pattern changes, my sleeping pattern will change too. It's not always you guys that are going through that time. We are also going through what because of what you are going through. So think about it. You are a husband, you are the only one working in the family, and you already have two kids, and now you have another two kids coming. So you are working shifts at 7 to 7. And do you think I'm gonna have a normal life? No, I can't have a normal life. Even if I have a business, I'm just gonna have to rethink of the way I'm going to live my life now, because I know that I have to start a new life that will accommodate another two extra lives. So as much as you feel like we are living a normal life, we are going out there, we are seeing these beautiful women with them curves, and whilst you are there sitting at home feeling like a hippo, a walking popcorn. Now we can't sleep normally as well, because now we just have to think now, how are we going to make sure that you are happy during this time. Let me tell you something. One, I'm not used to cooking every day. I'm not used to cleaning every day. I'm not used to do what? To be sent around, to be sent around like a kid. I'm not used to be yelled at like a kid. I'm not used to be woken up at night to just go and do some quick sandwiches. Everything is not normal to me, because I remember today she cried for not getting a 500 milliliter of Tropica. She was craving for Tropica today, a very cold Tropica, and when I looked for it, I couldn't find it. I could only find the orange ones, the ones that she doesn't like. And I was blamed for not trying enough. I had to go all the shops and look for that 500 milliliter of Tropica. You know that. I'm not used to my wife crying over a spoon that is in the sink. God, the spoon is in the sink. So it's because I'm the one who used the spoon. So because I used the spoon, so I have to wash it. No, I'm not used to that. When she cries for over everything, that she can't go to the mall with me anymore. No, I'm not used to that. So please, guys, you have to understand that we are going through so much ourselves. I can't sleep at night myself. You know, when I see her throwing up, you know, she eats now, she throws up after an hour or so. I have to massage her feet. I have to help her bath. It's not easy for us. It's not easy for us. But most importantly, we love you guys. We love our wives during that time. Because sometimes, you know, there are things that you don't do as women that we like when you are not pregnant. But when you are pregnant, because let me tell, like I'm this typical Zulu guy, so I want to feel like I'm needed in the relationship. I want to be a hero, you know. I want to be your Superman, you know. So during this time, this is where I feel needed in your life. So if you are pregnant, know that you are carrying the best gift any husband would ever ask for. So be proud. Don't feel like you are the most horrible, worst looking person ever. You are the most beautiful, wonderful creators ever, because you are carrying two lives, something that I, a man, cannot do. We have so much respect for women who are pregnant with our kids. So understand that. This is why I always encourage women not to fall pregnant before marriage, because we end up being called all these sort of names because of the absent fathers there, you know. So, but I know sometimes it happens unplanned. So I can't really dwell on that, but if things really were going my way, I'll just encourage people to get married and have kids, because this is where you are able to experience that thing of being treated as the way you should be treated whilst you're pregnant, because it's more like you are doing the right thing, you know, being pregnant, because we love it. We love it. So guys, this is all I wanted you to say, that during pregnancy, we are not having fun while you are suffering. We are also suffering our own way. So probably she's going to give birth by October. So I'll be posting the process, something that happens that I think you guys should know about. So I would advise fathers out there, married or not married, to subscribe to my channel, to just understand what happens during pregnancy, and women too, so that you may really know what you put us through, because we go through so much. We go through so much that you are not aware. But fortunately for you women out there, we don't blame you. because we understand, and most importantly, we love you so much. So even if you may slap us, beat us, call us names, we'll still love you, because you are carrying this wonderful thing inside of you. And you may not be aware, but we love you so much, and we can't trade you for anything else. So yeah, guys, please subscribe to my channel, and so that when I post another video, because this is what I'm thinking, I'll be posting almost everything that I think she does, that I think that you should know, because I'm just gonna have to remind her. I'll take some of the videos when she's crying, because God, guys, it's a very good long journey, when she cries. More like, you think, like, when you are passing by, you might think that maybe I have hit her, or maybe she's in pain, only to find out she's crying that she didn't get what she wanted, or else, when I go to work, when I come back, she'll be like, don't touch the phone, I've been alone the whole day, so I want to talk to you. And she will talk, and then when you're trying to fall asleep, she'll be like, am I boring you? Am I boring? And she'll start crying. So yeah, this is the life of a husband. But anyways, please like my channel, subscribe, and hit the notification button, just to get notified when I'm posting another new video. So yeah, guys, it is gonna be a new beginning of my journey, and I will post everything that I think I should post. Cheers, guys. And to those who are pregnant, happy pregnancy life. And to the husband out there, you have to love your your wives more during this time, and give them all attention they can get. And this is like the best time for them to get away with everything. Yeah, because I had some people saying that she's lazy, and this is like the best time for them to be lazy, and that they are so allowed to be lazy. So yeah, allow them to be lazy. Cheers, guys.